India recorded 168,912 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours, the sixth record rise in 7 days, pushing the country's caseload to over 1.35 crores. The resurgence of the virus led to 904 new deaths, taking the total death count to 170,179. India's tally of more than 1.35 crore COVID cases is the second highest globally, behind the United States and just ahead of Brazil's. India will consider granting Russia's COVID vaccine Sputnik V emergency approval today amid a record spike in virus cases in the country. The vaccine, manufactured in India by Dr. Reddy's, has an effectiveness of 91.6%, highest after the Moderna and Pfizer shots. The Subject Expert Committee of the Indian Drug Regulator, in its last meeting on April 1st, had asked Dr. Reddy's to submit data on how the shot activates the body's immune response against the coronavirus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing a rally in West Bengal's Bardhaman district ahead of the fifth phase of polls, asked Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee not to disrespect the central forces guarding people at polling booths by levelling baseless allegations. This comes a day after Banerjee had accused of the CISF of killing 4 people in Cooch Behar district during the fourth phase of polling, terming the incident as a genocide. The Supreme Court benches would sit 1 hour late from their scheduled time in the morning on Monday as many staffers have tested positive for coronavirus, sources said. They said that as many staffers have got infected, the judges would hold courts through video conferencing from their residences. The entire court premises, including courtrooms, are being sanitized. Kumbh Mela officials said that they were unable to impose social distancing at the ghats and that if they tried, a stampede-like situation may arise. Inspector General Sanjay Gunjal, speaking to ANI, said, "We are continuously appealing to people to follow COVID-appropriate behavior, but due to the huge crowd, it is practically not possible to issue challans today. It is very difficult to ensure social distancing at the ghats."